The American Cancer Society estimates over 300,000 new cases of invasive breast cancer will be diagnosed in women this year. The statistic adds that about 42,000 women will die from breast cancer this year.
Our Princess Bryant sat down with Panhandle Breast Health and learned how it's helping area people detect breast cancer early. This in this morning's Heart of the High Plains.
Earlier, just having conversations and kind of how far that can go. Tell me about kind of pushing that out in the community at these fairs.
I think it's just important to talk to people about mammograms and what they are, because we've encountered quite a few people who don't even really know what a mammogram is or what it's for, or, they don't realize that it's something you should be having as a screening rather than when you think there might be a problem. So I think that's really important, just to make sure that people are aware and what you should be doing, ways that you can help, detect your own cancer earlier is just go have a mammogram. Yeah. And it's a very short, simple process.
And for people who may never heard your organization, how would you kind of describe what you guys do to them?
Our mission, again, is to decrease the number of breast cancer deaths in the Panhandle by increasing the early detection, primarily through mammograms. And so that's what we do, and the different ways we do it, again, are health fairs is a large part of it, because that gets us face-to-face, and that's, a wonderful means of communication, and you can have much more in-depth conversations with people that way. But as I said, we're very active on social media. They can go to our website, just repeating that message again and again, and as Kaylee said, making that just a part of the health conversation.
Yeah.
And I find it very empowering for women when we do take charge of our health, and we're doing it for ourselves, but we're also doing it for our families.
Neil says while it's more common for women to get breast cancer, there are cases of men getting it as well.
She says although it is about 1% of breast cancer cases found in men, it's important that resources are provided to them as well. To hear more from the sit down with Panhandle Breast Health, go to myhighplains.com.